Hi, this is Nicholas Vardy, and welcome to this week's edition of Swing Trading Next Picks. In this series of bi-weekly videos, I offer viewers like you a sample recommendation of the kind of actual recommendations I offer to my paid subscribers at Oxford Swing Trader. And if you never want to miss one of my swing trading videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That way you'll get instant notification when I post a new video. And if you're new to swing trading, check out my Swing Trading Explained video to learn how it works. There's a link to that video in the description below. This week, I want to review a previous free Next Picks swing trading recommendation, Federal Express, ticker symbol FDX. You can watch my original video on my Fedex recommendation posted on April 22nd in the link in the description below. But I'll be reviewing all the details of the trade for this recommendation here as well. Founded in 1971 and headquartered in Memphis, Tennessee, FedEx is the world's largest express transportation company. Now, one positive consequence of the global pandemic is that companies have been improving their online capabilities. And while lockdowns may soon be a thing of the past, once the pandemic is over, that doesn't mean that all consumers will be ready to run back to the mall. That makes FedEx, a leader in logistics, a hot sector to invest in. Yet, as the chart above confirms, FedEx had pulled back 5.6% below its recent peak of $294.76 that it had reached on April 13th. Now, that's precisely the kind of pattern that we're looking for as swing traders. As a result, FedEx triggered 5 of the Oxford Swing Trader algorithms. So let's move to the swing trade parameters. The last closing price at the time of recommendation was $278.26. The trade setup was as follows. The swing trader algorithms fired on the channel system, the overreaction system, and the classic 5 days down pattern. The stock was also oversold on the RSI and exhibited a bullish 1SD move. I recommended that you try to pay not more than $282 for the stock, and the stop loss was set at $267, or about 4% below the previous closing price. The stock recommendation was as follows: to buy FedEx Corporation, ticker symbol FDX, at market today, and to set your stop at $267. As it turns out, our timing was excellent, as you can see from the chart. On April 27th, just 5 days after the video, FedEx soared to $287.51, and by May 4th, it closed at $304.28, a solid 9.35% gain over my recommended entry price of $278.26. So there you have it, a real-life solid Oxford swing trading recommendation from Oxford Swing Trader. Now, just to be clear, I can't guarantee that all my swing trading recommendations will be winners, and most of my trades do take longer to unfold. However, when I do get it right, you could see huge double-digit gains within just a few days. Like Chris C., who posted on our first video, "Thanks, Mr. Vardy, great find. My option pick on this one went up almost 600% at one point today alone." And remember, Oxford Swing Trader recommends an average of 2 swing trades like this each week. So you'll have plenty of opportunities, about 100 a year in fact, to generate quick gains using swing trading strategies. And for my paid subscribers, I also always offer an option recommendation along with each pick. These option recommendations have the potential to really turbocharge your returns, as they did with Chris. Again, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next edition of Swing Trading Next Picks. That way you will get instant notification when I post a new recommendation. And if you want even more trades like these, then I urge you to check out a conversation I had with Russell B., a happy subscriber to Oxford Swing Trader, at the link in the description below. Or you can call our sales team at 888-570-9830 to learn more. Stay tuned for my next edition of Next Picks, 2 weeks from today. Thanks for watching.